You are. We say good morning to all the friends in Puno Levu.
Right.
Natulu na sana. The Kaunrabembua ke Maduata. We also say to our Tabale in
Rambi. To Tabale Mbeni the Kauritambua and also to our sister Vasiti Tinele Moro. Thank you very much for the video that was being sent this morning because of the cyclone. Ray is coming along Rambi and Vanulevu, coming down to the eastern part of Fiji.
Karena mana sih kita itu betul all the parents out in the northern division. Apakah kena na tulau atau kena tu lumai biti? Tarik kemudi cikgu na kuku di tangnya nama tadi kuah. Kena ngoni salah na murid semua orang. Sakere moni na pakai tulau sarap pinaka make a decision on whether to go to school for the kids. Orang ngoli kurni buli sama kuah. And singa pinaka ni kuah.
Don't ever like Drago. Want to leave the land and go to the sea for you the people out there. Ngonin daw.
Okay.
Ngonin daw bikin dan daw boleh tu menja sanggata. Sendo tu daw warongo.
Right.
And daw nanu matungan isa non tambula tu ni singang gursan sini rani ato kinan napakadalka. Never ever try Drago.
No.
Never ever try Rainbow. Never ever try Van Diesel. Jackie Chan or Jet Li. Never. Please be aware of the weather. Be aware of the warning. Be aware of the alert is coming to you this morning.
Kami me pemurin na itu-tuku. Satu sulit sekali na walis me pakan na singa pinaka ni kuah.
Respect the weather. Respect the water. Respect the flood. They will respect us because they don't have the soul. They have the power.
Hindi mesin nonton bulan doang nggak sekali ruang. Saya kira mentan gagaru ini bulan tiga. We say good morning to all the followers on VTFM on TikTok as well as our YouTube channel. Kira Facebook and Matagrikwa.
Okay, to all the people surrounding, to all the ecosystem, we can see the one guava tree in front of us at the outside of the Lubus right now. We see Segi on the left, on the left, on the right. There is a fan beside them. But when you ever see a plant growing towards the wall, they never close to the wall.
Right.
The root is on the wall, and the body is on the side.
Right.
See, photosynthesis process is occur. Now the blank is all over the cloud. And you can see the guava tree is segi right now in front of us. Thank you, the weather. But be careful of what you're using right now. If you have come through the road to walk, be punctual. Be care of the people there at home, the children.
Right.
Think of them, somebody to look after them. Because of this weather, if you are from the north, the government itself says no school. There's no school doesn't mean that you play around. Never ever play with the wind.
If you are from the north, especially in Nambuni Kandamu, please move to the south.
Move to the south, never ever try anything that will destroy your lives. Be careful.
Any message to the fishermen out there?
Fishermen, if you think you are brave enough, if you think you are fish catcher, never ever try this weather because every time the weather come, you know, there's only when you see the weather, not only the wind. Be careful. Put in your mind there are three of them. Three. The wind, the rain, and the wave.
And the sea.
And the sea.
Right.
There are four of them now. You believe in them. They will believe in you. And you believe her.
Veki mereka kada na kakek itu nada buru-buru kau heran kana buku share na scientist. Itu kira na energy.
Right.
Napa tu cuna kena energy. Na bekambule tu abuli tikanda tu kira na energy. Roni drive tak kesoraka.
Right.
Roni baka bera katakan nonton bula.
Telangan
ni baka lagi kanda. Itu buli kanda. Sona ngura.
Right.
Abo matali tuku bibi ya. Kakui nanu menito na kaya ndabo wale tu nga.
Okay.
Saka tukin na kena ko tukin na energy.
You can see the stone. When you throw the stone at somebody, you see the energy. When you see the water is flooding, you see the energy through the wiko.
Gangi mandangan na libo-libo no anaway.
See, the electricity is in the water. You see the windmill is in the power.
Right.
You see the what else? The bode? You see the bode in the water? The boat move. That's so the power, the energy. If you see women coming, you see the power. The man moves.
Late since I'm Okay. But I'm sorry, they miss our story this morning. A short one.
Yeah.
Short one.
during a karaoke session, during the dopa hours, from 11 to 12 p.m., you can see people are moving around with different kind of topics. So there are cyclone season coming from November to April. People are asking. And sometimes we asking ourselves some words. In Fijian, we normally name itself a one. In English, we normally name two things, same meaning. But in Fijian, we used to ask the kind of English. There is two in one point. And somebody was asking, what is the difference between cyclone? Huh?
It's like a tupin.
It's like a tupin. You point on the PowerPoint without the switch, the thing will not work. If you switch the PowerPoint on, the thing is work. But if you put the wrong tupin in the wrong pothole, you can see the power will be blank. So this fellow was there, was asking himself, what is the difference between cyclone and a hurricane?
Don't know.
They was asking themselves.
Good question.
That's a good question. You ask yourself, ask your neighbor, ask your mates, ask your workmates.
Ask your lover.
Ask your lover.
Who?
Him. Ask them. See, what is the difference between cyclone and a hurricane? During the dope question, before the question ends, somebody in front. I know. You know, the hurricanes.
Listen carefully.
Listen carefully. The difference between a hurricane and cyclone. Cyclone is when during the fireness of the wind coming outside, you can hear the voice bang the door, bang the cover, bang the leg,
whistling outside.
Whistling outside. The wind's coming, you go outside.
Test.
You go outside, you test yourself. Test. When some rope coming like this, you catch.
Somewhat?
Some cover.
Some cover.
Some cover moving or branches of trees coming, flying over. If you catch, that's a cyclone. So you wait. You wait. When you think the bang bang is coming, the bang bang is coming, and the sound of the wind is roaming around your window. It's coming out onto your compound, and you see the cover, flying material over you. You catch. If the thing pet your body, if I come you catch. That's a hurricane.
Okay, one last test, may confirm Taki.
So this is the one last test.
If you really want to
know the difference between them, or who is the stronger, you go outside using your sulva tonga, nothing inside, you went outside. When you see outside, when the wind coming, you remove all your clothes from you, that's a telephone.
The strongest one. The strongest one.
That's what we go. That's what we call a bone marrow.
That's what we call a pillow time. Pillow time.
When you see Lazarus, arise from the buried, that you when you wake up, that you see yourself inside the window.
Weh, sekali ya, lihat udah taruh warak mata lah. Domba sih itu dengan ningun yang gua nabi.
Bisa talang ngambil taruh lain kini jauh. Wrong time, be careful of your question.
Benar boleh besar itu kan kira nomor borong bulmai. Kaya sa ako, nilibina ka na biyo, kanin ko ay napunta pa nga di borong bulmikin na. Batin na nito ko ay setara lo, kaya naman taga di ko.
Wey! Share lah, dong pula. Mata tu ni moniti. Here in Fiji, the weather is good. In the Suba, all we can feel the windy. But inside the house now, in the studio, there is a relax material here. Very cool. But people from the north, they are see the power.
Ikut tempat sulbatong.
The last time I wear sulbatong,
share with us the experience of wearing a sulbatong. What's the benefit?
The benefit of sulbatong is easy. If you want to do something.
Like climbing the coconut tree.
Like climbing the coconut tree, like you want to run. Daw ngono na itenge.
Andra siya.
Meu umbulare marama ni Amerika. Meu umbulare. Isa.
Oh, bakoso ko sa pano chico mai kimni. Sa tuno kami usara pang taka kimni tukutuku yan rapina ka teboro.
Bakoso. Kita ngomong.
Okay, what's the difference between a small teboro and a big teboro?
Okay, the difference between a small teboro is a big teboro. When you see a big teboro, that's when you see cacing bakoso.
Ada benar Chelsea. Kira mo rin na siya kani ko rin namaro tagi siya ng karavita. And the singo binaka ni kuha.
Alright.
Uso sila ng
Kanembure.
Siya nga na, oy!
Ada ba?
The last time we were
Last time Kanembure, and the last time during this nothing inside
Iyo.
like Kanembure.
Iyo, right.
But during the session some traditional ceremony,
Iyo.
we use the Sulbatonga.
Okay. I can understand why we wear the Sulbatonga when he's,
Ichi.
Siya nga may comfortable to weekend, and we still wear the 3/4 inside. Why?
Because some of us nowadays we playful,
Iyo.
we put the Sulbatonga up, it's very, very memorable. Naibawa na numitu na bingaw na.
Okay.
You know.
Alright, okay. Bigyan na kami na kanta.
Siya naman, pero sa mga bulang-bulatan na lang ilang bongo, may mga numitu nila ilang bongo, Emi.
Siya nga ka, ni nasulba ka to nga.
Iya.
Ka, liburan to pa kawal ka to nga.
Alright.
Ito na job libu ta ka po ka.
Iya, okay.
Iya.
Kaya pagkasanan rin bikir ni, saruin rin bikir kata-kata bikir mo ni.
Iya.
Muni buwas sulba to nga taka na taon na mo.
Oy, melauray.
Kira mi karusada, sa tutulong mi na kango.
Toro po ka.
Like ta ka siya ta ka, hindi Messi.
Kurumundo ko.